Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time to check out a couple of more value stocks with Tracey Ryniec, our value stock strategist, right here at Zacks.com. And you're still in the oil groove,
Yes.
Tracey. Newpark Resources, NR, the ticker symbol, provides services to oil and gas explorers.
Yes, another service company, but I actually had never heard of this one. This one does like fluid products, and they do pit design and access roads. So things that are a little bit more on the fringe. They're not providing the rigs for the drills or anything like that.
Yeah.
But because drilling, as I've been saying every time, is so hot right now, this company is also doing well because everyone needs these kinds of services if they're drilling more, wells. Yeah. So first quarter was really good for them. They saw revenue up 26%. Their fluid products is their biggest division, and that was up 25%. But their roads and that kind of thing was up 69% in the quarter. So it was very good. They beat the estimate. The estimates are going up. They didn't give any guidance, but the analysts all know the story here, which is that drilling is hot in North America. They're providing the services. So until that story changes, nothing's going to change with this. So you're getting some real good earnings growth. They're expected to grow earnings this year about 55% over last year, which is phenomenal. This company's been in business since 1932.
Wow.
So they've seen all the cycles of energy. So things look good here. The share price at 3-year highs, not surprising because some of these drilling stocks have been hot. It's trading around 13, almost 14 times earnings. So it's a good value stock with good fundamentals. It's not super cheap, but there's still room for growth here.
As testimony to what you just said about drilling being hot in North America, I read a story recently where North Dakota, which is where they're also drilling for oil, their economy up there is doing incredibly well.
Yes.
They have more jobs than people to fill them.
Right.
Apparently.
Because not only are they drilling there, but they have companies like Newpark going in there having to build roads and all of these other services that go along with the drilling of the wells. So yes, it's a nice little boost to these areas where there's this big shale drilling play. Yeah.
Western Refining, WNR, the ticker. Another independent oil refiner that you want us to know about here.
Yeah, this is on the other side of the business, obviously, after you get it out of the ground. These are the guys that refine it. They operate 4 refineries, like 3 terminals, but they also have some service stations, about 155 of those, mainly in the Southwest, like Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico. Okay. The thing with them is that you have the thing that's going on with the crude spread, the difference between the WTI and the Brent.
Yeah.
It's kind of complicated, but it's good for them right now. So, they are seeing their estimates really skyrocket here because the analysts believe that they're going to be really profitable for the rest of this year as long as the spread remains in their favor. And that spread is near record highs. So you can really see the estimates soaring here. They actually lost 11 cents last year, and they're expected to make well over $2, almost $3 this year. So it's a big turnaround for them. The shares are really cheap. They're trading around 6.5 times. Because I think investors haven't really caught up with the story, but you can see from the chart that shares are at 3-year highs. They're starting to really spike here, but it's a good value play because it is still cheap. People are starting to get a whiff of earnings potentials here with this company. We'll see in a couple weeks when they report the second quarter exactly how good it is for them. But fundamentals are really, really strong as a value stock.
Okay. Do you own either one?
I do not.
All right. Check out more stock pick ideas on our homepage, Zacks.com. 4 new ones up there for you daily, one on each of the investing categories that we write about. With Tracey Ryniec, I'm Terry Ruffalo.